In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add Lorem Ipsum text into your Figma projects, whether you're looking for a quick one-time placement or setting up a repeatable workflow. Let's dive right in, starting with the direct insertion method. First, you'll want to create a text box in Figma. Simply press the T key on your keyboard and then click anywhere on your canvas to create a new text layer. Once you've set up your text box, it's time to add your placeholder text. You can either type or copy and paste Lorem Ipsum directly from a generator into this text box. This is a quick method if you need to fill in a small area of your design with dummy text. Feel free to resize or adjust the flow of the text to fit perfectly within your layout. This method is straightforward and quick, making it ideal for those one-off situations where you just need a basic placeholder. Now, if your needs are a bit more complex or you want something repeatable, Figma offers some great plugins that can handle Lorem Ipsum for you. These plugins, aptly named Lorem Ipsum or Lorem Ipsum Generator, are designed to automatically generate and insert placeholder text directly into your selected text layers. To make use of these, start by opening your Figma file, and from the interface, navigate to the Plugins section. Here you have the choice to either browse for new plugins or manage the ones you have already installed. Once you find and install a Lorem Ipsum plugin that suits your needs, you can run it within your Figma project. These plugins typically offer options to customize the amount and type of text you wish to generate. You can choose from words, sentences, or even full paragraphs to fit your specific requirements. Select your text layer or the area of your canvas where you want the Lorem Ipsum to appear and let the plugin do its magic. In just a few clicks, you can have a well-generated block of placeholder text right where you need it. Some of the more sophisticated plugins even offer a handy feature to replace any existing text with Lorem Ipsum in one swift click, saving you even more time and effort. And there you have it, a concise guide on how to efficiently add Lorem Ipsum text to your Figma projects, whether through direct insertion or by utilizing helpful plugins for a more streamlined workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.